guys, and you're thinking, what video is this about? So, I'm going to tell you in this video how to make this type of place where you can read, play, or do anything, but not eating food. And this is my room. I wrote Pari's room means my name is Pari, and room meaning room. No, Pari's room. So I'm going to tell you how I made this. I'm not going to show you, I'm just going to tell you. First of all, you just take a mat. Okay, a full mat. You just fold it in half. After that, you put a pillow. And don't forget side table. Here's the side table. So, then if you also want to set inside things, so here's my idea of inside things. So, this is inside one, so yeah.